It's a fucking joke. FX goats, Noah. Oh, no. You see, if you had to video call me, I would pull out a live app that cannot be fucking edited. It can't be edited. You see, when I go on live and I show you a R&B app and that cannot be edited. It cannot be edited. Don't be stupid. Because now you're just acting stupid if you think that it can be edited. I can go with you to a bank. You can go to a bank yourself and say, listen, guys, can a banking app be fucking edited on your phone? An application be edited. Please go to a bank and ask them that. And then you'll get your answer, and then you'll see that you're actually an idiot for believing that an application can be edited. Like, what kind of fucking moron believes that an application can be edited? My fucking net worth is sitting at 114 million fucking rand. And that's not a fucking joke. That's what my net worth is sitting at, and that's what the properties that you say I don't own, and my investments, and all of this and all of that you say I don't have. There's no fucking way the FX goats have more money than me or Noah. You so fucking gullible. You know what? Fuck you. You probably some rich bitch who made it in life and thinks she's better than everybody else. So you probably have a rich family. Well, some of us didn't grow up like that. So fuck you and all your shitty comments and all this other bullshit. Oh, this can be faked. That can be faked. Whatever you want and you believe can be faked, let it be faked. I'm not fucking replying to you. You probably some stuck up little bitch anyway. Fuck you. You know what? If you want me to prove something, how about you test me? How about you test my skills? Let me fucking bury you. Let me embarrass you. How about we go onto Instagram right now, right? And we do a live trade. Let me shut you the fuck up. How about that? How about I take your rich little bitch ass and I shut you the fuck up right now? Right? Let's go onto Instagram right now. Then I'll give my investor password. You give your investor password. We trade. And I shut you the fuck up because you're starting to piss me off, starting to irritate me. I hate people who think they're better than others. Fuck you.
This is one of those exclusives from the one and only